testing of hypothesis. So we have two types of samples, large samples and small samples, and we also solve the problem based on the testing of hypothesis. So today's section we will do the activity based on the testing of hypothesis. So I need 5 boys and 5 girls. 2 teams, first 5 boys. Any 5 boys come? Girls, 5 girls. Yes. Yes, come. Okay. Need them? Anyone? So I have two set of problems. Take any one. So the activity is, if one problem has been given with complete solution, the steps have been split. You rearrange the step first and then find the solution. Okay, time starts now. The activity is all the steps have been shuffled. Rearrange the steps correctly. Yes, boys are completed.
Given is a large sample. The sample contains 1,000 and 2,000 members, and the data are given 37.5 inches and 68.0 inches respectively. Can the sample be regarding has drawn from the sample population, and also they given standard deviation 2.5 inches.
You have to write the given sample size N1, N2, and the sample deviation S1 and S2, sample population.
The next step we have to pick hypothesis. First, the null hypothesis. The sample have been drawn from the sample population of standard deviation 2.5 inches. That means mu1 equal to mu2. The next step, alternative hypothesis. This means mu1 not equal to mu2.
The next step is test statistics. Z equal to x1 bar minus x2 divided by sigma square by n1 plus sigma square by n2. The given samples are n1 and n2 and say sigma 1 and sigma 2. We will get minus value and substituting modulus they will get positive answer.
Next, we have to calculate the table value. Table value can be calculated from the F distribution table at the level of significance at 5%. So here the table value is 1.96, and at the next step is conclusion. In the conclusion, we have calculated value greater than table value. So the calculated value is 5.16 and table value is 1.96. So capital value is greater than table value. So H0 is rejected and H1 is accepted. In this, samples are not drawn from the same population at standard deviation initially.
The question is, a sample of 900 members has a mean of 3.4 cm and standard deviation 2.61 cm. Is the sample from a large population of mean 3.25 cm and standard deviation 2.61 cm?
The next step is given sample minus 9 equal to 900, x bar equal to 3.4 cm, that is sample. So the population is 3.25 and 2.61. So the standard deviation is 2.61.
The next step is hypothesis fixing. H0 assume that the sample has been drawn from the population with mean mu equal to 3.25. H1 is mu not equal to 3.23. The next step is test statistic. In this step, we use the formula z equal to x bar minus mu by s divided by root n, and we get the value 1.72. And the label value z equal to 1.95 at 5%. The next step is conclusion. Calculated value less than table value, so H0 is accepted. The sample has been drawn from the population with mean mu equal to 300.